Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to uninstall games on the Xbox Series X. So power on your console and access the home page, and then from here press the Xbox button on your controller, and then from this menu select My Games and Apps, choose that, and then select See All. So from here now select the Games section, and you will be able to see all the games that you currently have. So if you want to uninstall, let's say for instance Roblox, press the More Options button, which is the menu button on your controller. Select that, and then from the menu that appears, select Uninstall, and then you will be asked you are about to uninstall Roblox. This includes any add-ons. You can reinstall it at any time. So if you want to uninstall it, simply select Uninstall All, and that particular game will be removed. However, if you have a lot of games and you'd like to uninstall them all at once, all you have to do is go to the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select System, and then choose Storage Device. So choose that, and then from here, select Clear Local Saved Games. So select that, and then this will prompt you. This will delete all the saved games on this console. It will remove saved games in the cloud. It won't remove, sorry, and they will be synced next time you play on the console. So if you want to delete all the games, simply select yes, and that will remove all the games that you currently have. This is actually a very quick method. For instance, if you have more than 20 games, this will be the easiest way to remove them all at once. So that's basically it on how to uninstall games on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.